Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing 2 boxes of Crown Royal. It's break number 37. Last team sold was Winnipeg Jets, and they sold at 20:04 Eastern. We'll go to eBay time, and we'll refresh it. So the eBay time is 20:25 Pacific, 23:25 Eastern, and 0025 Nova Scotia time. Alrighty, there's our list with our winners and their respective teams. I wish you all luck, and I'd like to thank you all for taking part. And as you see, free team was for Vancouver at JNC Cards. Had that free from last time. That was the last time that we offered the free team. We may pick it up again, not sure. 0255 should be the serial number on one. I guess I'll show them both. And 3230. There's your 3230. And there's your 0255. Let's start with that one. We'll say good luck, y'all. For the Coyotes, Mr. Mustang 82, Shane Dome, 70 out of 99, Ruby, very nice. And for JNC Cards with that free team, Heirs to the Throne, Jordan Schroeder. Congrats, Jeff. Jordan Eberle, Majestic Marks, Ian Leavitt, 1. Very nice. Not numbered. For Edmonton. Oh, my video's done converting. For the Florida Panthers and Hot Deals Cards, Jonathan Renault, 333 out of 499. Rookie Royalty, very nice. Last pack of box 1. And it's got a fatty in there. For the Ducks, Avs Cowboy, Luke Sisba. Oh, sweet. Out of 25. Silhouette, very nice. Congratulations, Avs Cowboy. Next box. For the Preds and Red Wing 71, we got Mike Fisher, 34 out of 99, a Ruby. And for the Buffalo Sabres and Sabre Stuff 1970, we've got Zemgus Girgensons. And that's Heirs to the Throne. Oh, we got social signatures for Ben Scrivens for Toronto, and that's Mr. Mustang 82. That's Scrivens.30. There you go. Now you can tweet him. For the Blue Jackets and JNC cards, we've got Jonathan Marceau, and that's 86 out of 99. Very nice. For the Montreal Canadiens. Oh, sick! Royal lineage. Wow. 6 out of 10. I guess that's 8 out of 10. Bob Gainey, Brian Giunta, and Brendan Gallagher. Looky, looky, looky. That's pretty sweet, I'd call it. Darn sweet. That goes out to WMAC22, by the way, also. Okay, thanks everyone for taking part, and hopefully I'll see you Tuesday or Thursday or maybe even Saturday. Anyway, till next time, good night and happy bidding.